beautiful people, how are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing amazing. Another day, another vlog. Today is April 1st, so this is the start of April Fools. Actually, it's not. It's the Holy Week here in the Philippines, so my fridge is empty, and yeah, my friends are coming over. They are going to spend Holy Week here in my house. So me and my sister, and I think Razzle also, it's her day off. Well, she doesn't have work because it's Holy Week again. So we are gonna be heading to the city to get some grocery, and yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me. By the way, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. All you have to do is click that subscribe button down below. It's for free, and if you want to get notified whenever I upload a video, then click the bell notification as well. Anyway, without further ado, let's go. We made it into the main road, guys. I don't always want to have passengers with me when I'm coming up here at the main road because it is, I'm still trying to get used to it. Razzle is here. She's gonna go with us to the city. Well, she just arrived from the city as well. Do you have a face shield? No. Yeah, I have it. Yeah, just put it there, please. This one, this facial, don't put it in the... Okay, and then my sister is there in the back, and Razzle. Where's the key now? Do you have the key? Yeah, just use it. Alright, let's go, guys. Buckle up now. Seatbelt now. The city, and we have some drizzle actually, like right now, but I think it's not gonna rain. It's been so gloomy since this morning, but we are almost in the city now. You know, the motorbikes, they always try to overtake. I hate them. So we have finally arrived in the city right now, and yes, it is currently raining. This is exactly the reason why I decided to get a car, because whenever it rains, if you only have motorbike, you cannot go anywhere. Like, you really have to postpone any like appointments that you have because it's raining. Finally arrived here in restaurants. They are open, that's good. We're also gonna get some cash because I don't have cash anymore in the countryside. We are here in Banawa in Paseo Arcenas, and yeah, it was a struggle to park again. I need to practice more. I cannot like straighten the car. My sister has to step out of the car and tell me, guide me like what to do, but you know, that's what it is. Okay, so we are gonna go ahead and go now. I'll just, okay, come on, let's go. This is my sister's first time to get in here, right? And Raza as well?
Yeah.
So, welcome to the grocery store of the rich people. We're not rich, we're feeling rich today, that's why we're here.
So we go out now.
We're just gonna get some salt and sugar actually. What are we gonna get? Rice. Rice? My sister says rice. We don't have chicken anymore. This is holiday. Thank you. Right, let's go home. Just one of my favorite sauce, Italian style. High progress. Filipino heights, that's what it is. Get 5 of that. Yeah. We only got here. Everything's expensive. We're gonna get Chucky for Scarlett. Yeah.
Chucky, kiki.
Well, empty. Wala sila sliced bread. I thought that's my sister. What's the sliced bread now? Alright, we are done with trying to do some grocery here in Restans. Can you guys see? This is how large their parking area is. It goes all the way on the other side. We made it. We are going to my previous apartment because we're gonna grab my delivery. I do have a delivery and my sister is gonna grab a few stuff in her working place as well. Nari kay Kina. Okay. Right, here we go. It's 11:40. Hi, we're at my mom's working place. I think I have a stiff neck and she is trying to massage it. It hurts so much. We are just parked right in front of the building. Yay! Yay! Kana ba yay? Na ano? Google. Yay! Finished with lunch. We just had some makidis and then right now we are gonna be heading to a public small market here near my previous apartment because we are going to get a few stuff like sweet potato, whatever. Unsa man? Idiot. They're like trying to bully me because I'm putting this face shield on. So tomorrow is going to be April 2. We're not allowed to eat meat, right? No meat, no chicken, no nothing at all. We're gonna get some stuff for Halloween. Ay! Ala! Okay, we have the really big banana. Look at this. Ilan ito? 50 kilo. 50 pesos per kilo. Because there's not a lot of cars on the road because it's holiday today, so I'm quite okay driving. Oh, they're trying to widen the road. Look at that. Oh, that's good. Thank you so much, people. Thank you.
Inay mo ha.
They're saying be careful. Yes, kuya, we will. That's our neighbor, right? I don't know. We have arrived. I would always do this. Like this. To let everyone know that I am here and I need the whole garage in front of me. Okay. We are home. Guys, we made it home. Thanks be to God for giving us some guidance on the way home and on the way there. We are successful. I'm gonna turn it off, turn everything off, make sure all the lights, and That's pretty much it. And we are ready to go. Hey guys, I am here in the house now. It is definitely super hot. Let me just tie my hair. It actually didn't take us so long. What time did we leave here? 10? And what time is it now? 12? Oh, it's 2. So yeah, we were there for like 4 hours because we had lunch, and not all of the restaurants are open. Even Razel's like working place, she works in a restaurant, it's closed as well. I just need some water because this water is supposed to be in the car with us this morning, but my sister forgot to put it there. I asked her to refill this, but we forgot. We have to make sure that we are rehydrated, like especially in the Philippines right now. It is already summer. It's April 1st today. Was it not April 1st? Yeah, it's April 1st. Alright, let me go ahead and try to show you guys what are the stuff that we have. Okay, I don't know where's the receipt for the restant. Where did I put it? I think I have paid around... where is the receipt? No, did you? Where did I put the receipt? Okay, so I have here the receipt, and I have paid 1,800 pesos. So that's gonna be like $38 US. Here are the stuff that I got. We are going to start with the meat section. There's not a lot of meat though, but anyway, we have here some chicken hot dog. We got 2 packs of chicken hot dog, and then we have here another cocktail hot dog. This one is like the smaller one. I don't know why we have like hot dogs. This is good for breakfast. And then we also have here 1 whole chicken. Ta-da! It's so crazy because they gave me a lot of plastic. Anyway, we have here fresh milk, Chucky for Scarlett, 3 Chucky. And then we have here some wet wipes. This is for Scarlett as well. And then we have here some chocolate for Scarlett, some Jelly Ace for Scarlett. Everything is for Scarlett. I didn't know. Like, don't let your sister bring the basket because she's just gonna grab something. And then when you end up in the counter already, you're like, wait, I did not get that. And it's too late because you've already paid it. Anyway, next item here, we have some otap. This is like a biscuit. And we have here some tops, a biscuit as well. And then we have here Italian sauce. I'm gonna make this because bro and my twin are coming, and maybe some of my other friends. And then I have here the fusilli. I wanted to get the penny, but they don't have it available. It's like everyone's panic buying. Like almost all of the counters are empty. And then I have here some TikTok, by the way. And then we have here some coffee. This is for my sister. And another biscuit over here. Okay, there you go. And then next one, oh, that is so heavy. Next one, we have here a pack of pancit canton. This is hot and spicy. This is my favorite. And then we have here another pack of pancit canton. This is calamansi flavor because Scarlett cannot take the spiciness, so we have to get one for her as well. My sister doesn't like spicy as well, so that's gonna be for them. Then we have here some wafer. And then we have here some nata de coco because we're gonna have buko salad. So nata de coco and kaong as well. This is like palm fruit. Then the other one is coconut gel. I still have Nestle cream and condensed milk, so that's why I did not bother getting a few. And then I have here some beef loaf. I think I got 5 of these. Beef loaf. This is gonna be for breakfast. And then I have here hot and spicy tuna, century tuna, because we are gonna be using it for the pasta that I'm gonna be making. Yeah, that is pretty much it for the stuff that we got from Restan. We also went to the wet market, right? So I got a few stuff as well. We are gonna be using this tomorrow because we're not allowed to eat some meat tomorrow or anything like that. We have here one, what do you call this? One pack? Basta, one like this banana. We are gonna be using this for the binignit. I'm gonna be vlogging as well tomorrow, guys, so you guys can see what binignit is. This is what we would normally prepare during Holy Week. Here, sweet potato. This is 50 peso because this is 1 kilo. And then we have here taro. Taro as well, we're gonna be using for binignits. Alright, aside from that, we're also gonna be making biko, or like something like a rice cake. My mom is gonna make it, so I decided to get some glutinous rice. Like, this is 2 kilos of glutinous rice, so that's like 160 pesos, right? Yeah. What we're gonna be using for the binignit. So we have here these stuff. I don't really know what you call this. Sagu? Sagu nina. So we have here some sagu. It's very colorful. And then we have some smaller ones as well. Ta-da! And then aside from that, we have like this. I don't know what you call this in English, but this is called landang in Bisaya. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for all the stuff that we got from there. We have a package here from Lazada. Good thing that Kuya delivered it today in my apartment, and we were there as well, so that was a perfect timing. Okay, they really like pack it like so tight. Look, what's this? Okay, so they put everything in one box. Okay. Alright, so the first one is, so the very first one is this Bello Sun Expert tinted sunscreen. So this is really important for the ladies out there. We should be taking care of our skin, especially it's summer already. Next one is, this is a vitamin. This is potassium. Okay, so this one is a hair straightener. The reason why I got a hair straightener, I already got one, but that one is really big and I can't really bring it anywhere I go. So I decided to get this travel size one. It's pretty small, something like that. And they were on sale during the Lazada birthday, so that's why I decided to get this as well. This is, I think, like 1,500 peso if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, this is how it looks. It's very small. Oh, okay. It's very small, guys, so I like that one. Hello guys, it is currently, I don't know, like 9 p.m. I think. Everyone's sleeping already, but look at what do I have here. I have my twin and bro. So they are gonna be spending Holy Week here in my house. So tomorrow we are gonna be having Good Friday together. Yes. And currently we are having some tea. This is the tea. We have some green tea with lemon and some honey. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Please do subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye!